Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 2 Plus, and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. Also, you will need to download and install the Connect IQ store application on your phone. You can download it on the Android and Apple devices, so if you're using iPhone it will also work. And basically this is the app. I went back by mistake. This is the app you need to install, Connect IQ Store by Garmin. And once you have once your watch is paired with a phone and you have the Connect IQ Store application, we can continue, and now we can open the Connect IQ application on the phone that is paired with our watch. And in the app you should see the Connect IQ Store, and here we have trending apps and stuff like that. Now tap on Face It, and here we can create a custom watch face. We can tap on plus, select the camera or gallery option. If you select camera, it will open the camera app, and basically it will allow you to take a picture and use it as a watch face. But if you select the gallery option, it will allow you to select the picture from your phone. So select one of the options, and once you select it, either take a picture or select the picture. I'm gonna use the gallery option, so I'm gonna tap on gallery, browse through the files, find the photo I want to use on our watch face, tap on it, and here we have a preview, and we can customize it a little. We can move the picture around because the whole picture won't fit on the watch face, so we can basically position the picture to be the part of the picture we want to have on the watch face to be right here in this highlighted area. So whatever is gonna be in this highlighted area is gonna be on our watch face. So position the picture, then select the type of the clock. Also you can select the color of the accent of the clock, and you can select the type of the font. So once you're done setting this up, you can tap on done, name the watch face, tap on save, and we have our custom watch face. And you can set up another one if you want to, and then you can switch between them if you want to. I'm gonna tap on install to install this one, tap on OK, and wait. And once it's done installing, the watch face should be applied on your watch, as you can see. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.